welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan Yvonne if you're new. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. So today's video is going to be inspired by The Little Mermaid. I absolutely love The Little Mermaid. When I was growing up, I had all the books, all the movies. I just really enjoyed the story. So when I heard that they were doing a relive make, I had to see it. So that's coming out today and I'm so excited to see it. I have the honor and the privilege of taking my niecey Pooh. We're going tomorrow. We're going to enjoy and just have a girls' day. So I'm so excited for that. But because today is release day, I wanted to do a Little Mermaid-esque, a Little Mermaid inspired look. So let's get into the video. Welcome back to my channel. If you can see by the red hair, we're doing something really special today. We are doing a look because one of my all-time favorite movies is out in theaters today, and that is The Little Mermaid. I love The Little Mermaid. When I was growing up, I had books, I had like the activities and all the things The Little Mermaid. So I was so excited when I found out that they were going to be doing a remake and it was going to be live action. And actually, I'm taking my niece to go see that. So that's going to be an auntie and me day, and we're going to have so much fun. But I wanted to, like, you know, kind of dress in the theme as well. And I figured I would do a makeup look for you guys inspired by The Little Mermaid. So let's get into the video. I am going to go ahead and I think I'm going to do skin first, actually. And I am going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to use a mixture of products. I'm going to use the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation plus my Soft Matte because I want this look to be kind of a little bit glowy, but not too glowy. So because we're giving bubbles, we're giving under the sea vibes, and we want it to be cute. So that's what I'm going to do. You are new here. Hi, welcome. My name is Megan Yvonne, and I would love for you to check out some of my other videos and just, you know, join the family. I would love to have you a part of the family. So I share beauty, obviously, but I also share inspirational and lifestyle type content. So if that sounds like something that you'd be interested in, I would definitely encourage you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. Check out some of my other videos, see what else I got going on here on the channel. I'll link a couple of them for you in the cards. Also, if you are wondering, if you see, I already have my brows done because that takes a minute, but I do have a video talking exclusively about how I achieve, you know, colored brows when I am wearing colored extensions. So I'll link that in the cards for you as well. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this foundation out and then I'll be back. Guys, so this is the finished eye look. I think once it all comes together, I was going for more on Ariel's side, but I feel like this looks a lot more like Ursula, just with the tones and stuff I picked. I don't know, it's something about the red hair that makes me want to go dramatic, and yeah, it went all the way dramatic. But let's get into the rest of the face. And as you can see, I do have a little bit of sheen from, or fallout from, you know, that sparkly eyeshadow, but I actually don't mind it. It's going to play in with the look. And I'm going to go in with, this is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter. What did he call it? Kilowatt foil in the color Sangria Sunset. I use this in my other tutorial, and it was just really pretty, and I want to add some pizzazz to this look, so I'm going to use it as well. Now I'm going to go in with my Micro Smooth powder, and I'm just going to set everything. I'm going to go in with my setting spray. I think this needs a less dramatic look. I'm going to use my type, this Too Faced Melted Matte. And then also this ABH in the shade Dolce. With a mix of another ABH in the shade Catherine. Oh, that's red. I wasn't expecting it to be that red, and this is the Juvia's Place liner in the shade Coffee Bean. Then I'm going in with my Buxom lip gloss in the shade Bestie. thank you guys so much for staying tuned to the end of this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. It helps get my videos and my channel out to more eyeballs, and we definitely want that. So go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the family. I share beauty, I share lifestyle, I share inspirational content. So if that sounds like your thing, go ahead and hit subscribe. I would love to have you a part of the Make Yvonne TV family. Also, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when my videos go live, which my videos go live at 12 p.m. on Tuesdays and Fridays, and that's 12 p.m. Eastern time. So go ahead, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, make sure you're hitting all notifications so you can be a part of the family. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah, bye. It's something about red hair that makes me do drama. It makes me do dramatics, and this is more or less like it's not red, it's more like a I don't know, like a fiery engine type. I don't know what you call it, but I'm enjoying it, and I wanted to do this video because, you know, like I'm like, oh, like let's put a look together for the Little Mermaid. Like, let's put a look together for the Little Mermaid. So yeah, this is all about this look right here. I did a little drama on the eyes. I did this aquatic kind of under the sea inspired look. So yeah, get into it. Get into it. Okay, I gotta go. I have a wedding in the morning, so I have to go.